Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on the Edge Crypto Wallet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Edge Wallet application on your device, and once you open it up, you might be asked to log into your account if you haven't done so already, using your password or your PIN code or your biometrics. Once you use your credential to log into your account, you will be taken into your home page, within which you will be shown all of your assets. Now, if you wish to change your password, just click on the menu icon at the top right corner and you will open up the menu page. Now, from this page, tap on Settings and you will open the Settings menu. Now, within the Settings menu, if you wish to change your password, then underneath the Account menu, go ahead and tap on the Tap to Unlock Account Settings menu. This will now ask you to enter your password. Simply type in your account password and then tap on the Submit button, and now all of these settings will be unlocked. Within these settings, in order to change your password, go ahead and tap on Change Password, and now you will be asked to enter the new password that you want to use. Go ahead and type in your desired new password and then type it in once again to confirm it underneath the Confirm Password menu. Once you type your new password twice, go ahead and tap on the Done button underneath, and now your password will successfully be changed. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on the Edge Crypto Wallet application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.